When you're using an iron, a couple of things to keep in mind. You always want to set your iron on its heel when not in use, like that. Also, every time you use your iron, you want to make sure you're always on an ironing board or ironing surface. That will protect your countertops from heat damage. You also want to make sure you use the proper heat for your fabric. Always use the lowest heat that will work for your type of fabric. If you don't, then your fabric may burn, or some fabrics might even melt if the iron is too hot. That'll both ruin your project and ruin the iron. There are two kinds of things you can do with irons. First one is ironing. That's gliding back and forth, really good for removing wrinkles. The second one is pressing, which is more useful when you're sewing. Pressing means heat holding fabric in place. To press, it's not a back and forth motion, but just setting it down and pushing firmly for a couple of seconds. The reason pressing is more useful when sewing is because if you're going back and forth, your fabric might shift and you might not get your fabric in the place you need it to be.